Hello friends, hope you're having a great weekend. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I suggest you watch the pre-market analysis which was done on December 14, 2025. As per this week's analysis, the gold's chart is at the price range of 4,317 and 4,381 as mentioned in this video. You can watch this video before watching the current video. And I mentioned that this is a current supply zone, and from this area there are two chances. Either it can fall down from this area and come to the zone of 4,259, or else there are chances that market will go up, break the zone of 4,381 and take a good support and go higher. Also, on last Wednesday, while I was checking the market, I found out that there was a bullish flag formation according to the retail liquidity, and I mentioned that there are chances that market would go up. Even though it was in the supply zone, there were chances that we could have taken some good trades. Let's see what happened after this retail liquidity. This was the retail liquidity which I have drawn on our premium group. From here, let's see what happened. Market, from while breaking this retail liquidity, has gone almost 450 pips. Some people have taken some good profits, but still I didn't suggest much to trade in this zone as it is a retail liquidity zone. And why did the market fall from this area? If you see closely, there is a shadow at this area where this shadow will act as a liquidity zone. Even though this is a fair value gap and an order block, this area also will act as a liquidity zone. As you can see, market went there, tap and came down again, and again it is in the liquidity zone right now. So if you ask me what is going to happen next, still my answers would be like the last week. Market is still in a supply zone. This supply zone should get broken. Only once this supply zone of 4,381 gets broken, you can go for a ultimate buy. Until then, we cannot say anything. So what are the current chances? The current chances are, I see that there is a small order block or a fair value gap, which is a very tiny. I won't say that is very powerful. That's a very tiny order block. And this area would act as a support in between 4,292 to 4,269. But this would be the major support, which is 4,257 to 4,202. But while checking into the market, we can see that the bulls are trying so hard to break the supply zone of the area in between 4,332 to 4,381. And I believe that this time the bulls would win. We can't assure you anything, I can't assure you anything, but still this is what I feel, because the bulls are trying so hard to break this area. So if I go for a buy again, what I will do is, I'll wait for the market to break the zone as mentioned in the last video. And when it comes and taps on the 4,381 range, I'll again plan for a buy, because this area will act as a support zone or a bullish order block. So this is what I have to tell you this week, my dear friends. Also, last month was a very beautiful month for all our community members, all our viewers and our students and our community members. I would like to show you some profits which were taken by our dedicated members and our very professional traders. So as you can see, there are hundreds of screenshots, like 60, 70, 80 screenshots of our members who has taken good amount of profits. And I'm so grateful and thankful to the universe. And I'm really happy to show you all this, because the last 1 month hard work, everyone was able to earn good amount of money as always. Really proud to see our members making such good profits. All the profits which are taken in the real accounts and not in the demo accounts. We only post the real account profits. So you can see the deposits, withdrawals and all the things here. And this is the profit taken by our community. Coming to the news of the next week, if you see, as you know, as I mentioned in the last video which I posted, I already mentioned that Christmas is coming and New Year is coming. On Monday and Tuesday, market will be almost running in a normal way, but still you can see that there are news like home sales and core PC index and all. You should understand that market is still in a supply zone. We should be very careful. And I strongly suggest you guys, from December 24 onwards, please stop trading. See, even in the news websites, you can see, even in the investing.com itself, they have posted a, like, Christmas, what do you call it? I don't know what do you call it, hat or something like that. So it's holiday for everybody. All the institutions in the world will be inactive. And if you are trying to trade in this time, what will happen is high volatility will happen. Either there will be no volume or high volatility will happen. The spreads will be very higher. The fees and charges will be very higher. It's better you spend these holidays with your family, stay happy, and until January maybe 5 or January 10, the market will be either there will be no volume or there will be no there will be higher volatility, I would say. Stay out of the market, my dear friends. Stay with your family. Be happy. After January 10th, we can start our trading in a superb way and we can earn unlimited profits from the coming new year. So if you ask me if I will be posting a video on the coming week, on the coming Sunday or Saturday, I don't know. Because if there is any updates, I'll be updating you via video. If not, when the market opens, I'll be continuing my video. Anyway, thank you for all the love and support, my dear friends. Be happy always, be grateful always. Let all the blessings come to you. All the money in this world keep on flowing to you, my dear friends. Thank you so much and all the best.